Hey, my name is Steve. Today I want to show you the DJI remote control bike handlebar mount that I have put on my Lectric XP bike. You can use this mount for any type of bike. I just happen to be using it on my e-bike. So after doing a little searching on Amazon, of course, here's what I came up with. I found this bracket right here. You're seeing some other modifications I've made on my bike, but you can ignore that. This mount will attach easily to your handlebar on whatever bike you're riding. This bracket is super simple and it works great. You can take your controller on and off really easy. And through my experience with it already, riding around on the sidewalks and the roads and the surf, man, this thing has been fantastic. There's a company called Anby that makes this. This little bar right there going across, that actually holds it against the frame of the remote controller. And also on this side, right there, and there, that clips in, and that is what holds the mount. To take it off, you just pop it out. Try to do it one-handed, just pop that, and it comes right out. It couldn't be any more simple. There's your holder. Simply place that around your handlebar or whatever else you rig, kind of like I did. And then just tighten this clamp. Boom, you're done. That's it. Then you're basically can ride your bike, control your drone, hands free, and that is awesome. Here's a nice shot of it with the phone in it. So you can basically ride along and use one hand to set the controls, fly your drone however you want, or go totally hands-free when you do some of the follow me modes. This remote controller mount made for DJI drones has worked awesome for me. If you're looking for something like this, I feel like it'll work awesome for you as well. Thank you for watching.